This is the very first... Hey guys, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. I post Monday through Saturday. And today in this video, I'm going to show you guys what you get in the Boye Needle Master Kit. So I did just make a video of me unboxing the Boye Needle Master Kit. Sorry, I thought my camera was out of focus for a second. And I'm going to show you guys... And I do have a video of me actually, sorry, I got off topic for a sec. I do have a video of me unboxing this, and I'll link it down below if you haven't seen it already. And I'm going to show you guys what you get in it. So I haven't used it yet, but this is what you get in the Boye Needle Master Kit. So you get some knitting needles in different colors, which is really pretty. It reminds me of a rainbow. You got your size 10, 10.5, size 11, size 13, and size 15, which is the biggest in here. And on the other side, you have your smaller sizes. You got your size 3, you got your size 2, your size 3, and your size 4, your 5, your 6, your 7, your 8, and your 9, probably the biggest size of the small ones. And you get some cable extenders right here, so you can actually make your cables longer, and there's like little needle holders in here. So these things will help you just in case you need to do the magic loop method, so then you don't have to cut your cord off or anything. So this comes in handy and stuff, which I'm really excited. And then they all come with like little cables. They're all pretty short, but I think I can manage to get them to work and stuff like that. And I'm really excited to use this because I'm going to make a raspberry stitch beanie, and I'm super excited to try it. So this is what you get in the Boye Needle Master Kit. And I'm just warning you guys, it is a bit expensive. It's about, I think it was almost 30 bucks. Well, actually, it was a pretty good price. It was about 30 bucks, and I don't remember if I had to pay extra for shipping. I bought mine on Amazon. So I'm really excited to use this. I've heard a lot of people actually love the Boye Needle Master Kit. Christine from iKnits actually uses this, and she says it's a great kit. So I am very excited to use this kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post Monday through Saturday, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!